Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this GPS tracker. This ID card GPS tracker. So what is inside the box? Okay, you can see the one pocket here, one menu, and lanyard, and one USB cable. So before we use it, you may need to charge it maybe for 1 hour before we test it. So first I want to show you how to insert the SIM card. We recommend okay, the data required is very small for this GPS tracker. It consumes about 30 to 40 megabyte per month, so you don't have to use a very large this GB. So I'll show you how to insert the card. You just open up the cover here. Okay, first this slot you push upward, okay, then you just open it. Sorry. Okay, when you open it, you put this SIM card facing this way, and then you cover it, you press, and then you push down to lock. Okay, press and push down to lock. Okay, I'll show you how to power on. So there is a menu indication here on how to power on and how to power off. So I'll show you how to power on. Just put back the cover. Okay, so the I think we are putting the wrong way. It should be facing this way. Yeah, so the slot should facing the slot should be at the bottom. Okay, and this is the button. The slot should be at the bottom. So how to power on? To power on, you press and hold for 3 seconds, and then you can see all the 3 lights blink together. Okay, 1 2 3. Sorry, I should see this way. Okay, so after 3 seconds it blink. Okay, then the red color lights when it blink slowly, that means the battery is normal. Okay, the red is indicate the battery. Okay, so it blink, then you wait, and then it blink, you wait, so the battery is okay. And then the second one is your mobile data. Okay, your mobile data, when it blinks slowly like this, okay, that means your mobile data is connected. Okay, and then the bottom one is the blue color, is the GPS. Okay, this GPS it operates on the satellite. So this GPS is only workable when you bring the cards outdoor. Okay, when you are inside your house, there's no satellite. So no satellite means there's no GPS. Okay, when GPS is detected, the blue light will blink slowly. Okay, it blink too fast, that means it's still searching for the satellite. So because now I'm at the in-house, so there's no satellite here, so it blink very fast, so it's searching for the satellite. When there's no satellite, the device will look for the nearest Wi-Fi. It will find the nearest Wi-Fi, and then it will show the location in your map when you do the tracking. Okay, it will search for the nearest Wi-Fi. If your house you do not have Wi-Fi, and this device will switch to the LBS. LBS is a base station. Base station, it could be quite far from your house, so the indicator in the map may not be accurate, because you will be far from your house. So there are three ways to do the tracking. One is the GPS, is the most accurate, just like Waze. So GPS depends on satellite, it works for outdoor. And then you are indoor, it will switch to the nearest Wi-Fi. It will indicate the nearest Wi-Fi location in the map. Okay. And if you don't have a Wi-Fi, you will switch to the LPS. Okay, first after you turn on, you need to download the app. Let me try to download the app. You need to download the app called 365D GPS. So you just install. So I just show you the short demo, because for this device I actually already registered. So I'll show you roughly how do you okay. So after you download, then you open it. Okay, so you agree. Okay, when it comes to here, you open up again the cover, because inside there is a IMEI number here. This QR code. Below the QR code there's a IMEI number. So you need to scan. How to scan? You press the square here. Okay, allow, and then you just scan the number. Okay, so after they scan the number, it will automatically fill up the number, and the password is the last 6 digit. So I think it's already auto fill in the last 6 digit number, and you just press please read, then you just log in. Okay, after you log in, you have to wait for a while, because the app is still searching for this device. It's still searching for this device. Okay, so you can check the, okay, it's still searching for the device. Okay, now let me explain a few settings here. The first one is if you go to the setting, and then you can see the map. So you can choose a Google Map. Google Map. Okay, just choose a Google Map. That's all. Okay, just choose a Google Map. Okay, then your location will appear in the map, and you can see inside the map. It will show you now, because I'm in-house. It shows LPS, because this device is still searching for the GPS, and also is still searching for the Wi-Fi. So at this moment it shows the LPS, because it couldn't find the nearest Wi-Fi, and also the nearest the GPS, the satellite. Okay, let's go to the rest. So go to the function here. So this first one is a contact. The contact here, you can enter 3 contact. Your phone number. This is your phone number, your mobile phone number. Okay, so you can enter here. So this is a SOS. SOS means that let me cover it back. Let me cover it. Oh, sorry, the slot should be facing top. This slot should be like this. Okay, the slot should be at the bottom. Okay, how we do, after you enter your mobile phone number, let's test it. So for SOS, you just press and hold this button. Press and hold, then you can hear. Okay, you hear the sound like this, ding, ding, like this. So this device automatic call. It will make a call. Sorry, it will call to this number. So there, it will call to this number. So my second phone. Okay, so then you can answer. It will automatically answer there. Okay. Okay, so you can enter 3 numbers here. And also, if you want to call the device, also you can just use your phone directly call the SIM card number. Just directly call. Okay, then you can see the playback here. The playback means this device will store the history of this tracking location. So it will keep tracking, and then it will store the path in the history. So you go to the playback, and then you can choose the date here at the top here, the date here. Whenever you see there's a red indicator, okay, that means there is a history. There is a history inside. For example, on the May 15, there is a red indicator. That means there is a history of the path. That means when I did use this device on the 15th, so it keep track the location on the 15th. So you can go to the history, and then you will show the path where did I go on the 15th. So you can just play, and then it will show you moving from one place to another place here. Okay, so that go back to the playback. Find the device is very easy. Just make the sound. Okay. So power saving because the device, when the device keeps searching the GPS, it consumes power, so you can reduce the consumption of the power. So you go to the power saving, then you turn off during what time you don't need the GPS, you turn off here. Okay, so for the power saving. Okay, then you can there's no disturb you can set here from what time to what time you don't want people to call the device. Okay, you can set here. And also okay, and then you go to the setting here, there is a on off here. On off here you can a few button here you can set. Okay, when I turn on, then you will give a push notification to my phone. That means you will send a message to my phone every time when I move this device, okay, from one place to another place. When I move it, it will send a message to my phone. Okay, so if you don't want the message, you can just turn it off. Okay, so now I turn on, so every time when I move the device from one place to another place, it will notify me. Okay, so basically that is the basic setting. I think the rest you can explore by yourself. The map is inside, the address showed, so now it shows LBS, and then you can always check the tracking time and the communication time, because this tracking is not updated every second. Okay, it depends on your setting. So you put the setting here. For example, here I put the 10 minutes here, setting update times 10 minutes. That means every 10 minutes it will update the map one time. So this is to save the power. If you don't need so frequent to update the tracking, you can set it longer. Otherwise it will consume a lot of power, because it keep update the location, and then it will consume power. So that depends on how you use it. Okay, basically that's all I can explain. Okay, now I show you how to power off this device. You press and hold the button until all the 3 lights turn on and turn off. So you press 1 second, 2 second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when all the 3 lights turn on together, you release your fingers, and now it's off. Thank you so much for watching.